If you've been watching my previous videos, you know there's two major projects I've been working on. One, clearing the land of all the junk that is scattered across it, and the other is clearing the land for a food plot. Well, today I'm going to share the completion of one of those projects. My name is Matt, and welcome to Splitwood Acres. Well, you may recognize those harrows on the back of my tractor. Yep, those are the ones that we found while clearing scrap off of the property. They don't even work right now. They're frozen up from years of sitting, and well, all they do is serve as a good counterweight at this point. Well, my original plan was to burn all this brush, but I just ran out of time and there was too many piles. So the new plan is just to push it out of the way and, well, we'll drag it back out maybe during the winter and we'll burn it off then. Well, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little disappointing I didn't get this job done. I just ran out of time. But I'm not gonna let this chore stand in the way of completing my goal. So, off to the side it goes. A wise man will tell you not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but rather to schedule your priorities. And mine is getting in this food plot. But first, we're gonna have to fix these harrows.
A little bit better.
Have you ever had one of those projects that you are intimidated to take on? Yeah, that was me with these harrows. Not mechanically difficult to figure out at all. They're very simplistic, but they are very heavy. And I was concerned about getting them back together and my back and the whole 9 yards, so man alive. The amount of dried up grease in these things, scraping on this, I mean, oh my god, it was crazy. Each time I would think I was done, I would chip away another little layer of it and just have to go back at it again. It took me a solid 2 hours to get all the grease out of this. Well, I couldn't find any new Zerk fittings to fit this thing, so yeah, I went at it with some axle grease because, you know, me, well, not going to let something stop me. I'm going to just lube this thing up with the axle grease, and that's the way it is. Now, once I had it all lubed up, it had to kind of like stay together and then be picked up as a unit, and then also bolted back on while holding it all in place. To say it was challenging is an understatement. Remembering back to what the property was like when I first drove on it after we got it, to finally now reaching this point right here. Thank you, Lord. What a blessing. Well, I know it's just a food plot, and I certainly don't want to insult any real farmers. God bless every one of you. But while plowing this small field, I couldn't help but hear the echo of Paul Harvey's "So God Made a Farmer." I guess there's a little farmer in all of us, even a city boy like me. Oh, Wiley the Coyote, man, it has been awesome today. What a lot of work it's done. At the advice of a new friend, I decided to sow in a mixture of soybeans, buckwheat, millet, some southern pea, and some okra. Hopefully these deer are gonna like it. Now I know there's some people out there that are gonna make fun of me for using a Scott spreader to put this seed out. And they're not wrong. It's the wrong tool to use. But it was the only tool that I had, which kind of made it the right tool. All right, well, we're back out here after we've got everything done plowed. Hey, check this out. No more trailer. What about that, right? That's pretty cool. Oh my God, Mike. Mike's gotta take a poop right here. You just don't care, do you? Dog ain't right. Anyway, we're back out here just to see how things are coming along. But you can see our food plot out there. I can actually start to see a little bit of things popping up. I don't know how well the camera is going to catch that. I don't really want to drive out there right now because it's pretty wet and muddy. It's been raining for days. Today is kind of cold and raining. It's in the high 40s today. That's freedom degrees. Anyway, but also check this out. The hunters finally came and got their stuff, so that's nice. What about that food plot right there? Yeah. Woo, that's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Can't wait to get the hunting blind, get the second hunting blind all set up and out there and ready to go. Anyway, see y'all.